Anyway, good day everyone. It's Grizz and Taffy. We're in the garage.
It's me.
And it's me. Me more so than her. No, it's Taffy. Taffy, how are you?
I'm good, yeah.
Taffy's good. So is Grizz. Right, today, let me explain just a bit more. If you're new to the channel and new to the build series, I am taking a Gen 2 2008 Hayabusa, Suzuki Hayabusa, and messing around with it a bit, making it a little bit lighter, hopefully a little bit louder, and a little bit more flash, adding some bits of carbon fibre and bits and pieces and stuff. Have a look through some of the previous vids and you'll see some of the work I've done and all the other work that we're going to do. Look at the first build series one and the first one, which I'll put up as a link. There you go, put it up there. There it is. Right, have a look at that one and you'll see all the bits and pieces that I've got for it. But anyway, the exhaust system, the standard exhaust system is like, how bad is it?
It is bad. It is bad. It is worse than bad.
It's flipping rusty.
Yeah.
So, and I had all kinds of problems getting that system off. I broke bolts some of the exhaust studs off. I had to drill it out. I tried using a welder. It was a bit of a mess. It was a bit of a carry-on, but I'm now at the stage where I can start fitting the new exhaust on. But before I do that, what I wanted to do was compare these two exhaust systems. I mean, let's have a closer look. Should we have a closer look? Let's have a closer look. Let's have a look. Right, so here is the big ass mofo standard system with full engrossing of rust and heavy things. These end cans are just massively heavy. They're like huge heavy cannons, and they've got all this stainless steel pipe work going through it onto this two cats there. You can kind of see that lovely pair of cats and all this nice beautiful rusty pipe work. So super yummy. How yummy is it? I don't think it's that yummy. Anyway, that is the standard system, big ass mofo system, and here is the Akrapovic system that Grizz managed to find second hand. I don't know really if it's a good find or not. I've cleaned it up, got all new springs for it, but it does have a bit of damage here and there.
Ouch.
Huh?
Ouch.
Oh.
Ouch. You know we're always good. Oh,
yeah,
right.
Otherwise it's...
That'll do.
Yeah, it's fine, isn't it? Yeah, so it's had a few ouchies, but it was cheap. Grizz got it cheap. I've had a little go at kind of polishing this out. I still need to work on this a bit more, and the other scratches. Not sure how I'm going to work that out yet, but one step at a time. So now let's weigh these systems and see how much lighter they are. I've got some scales here. It's real technically advanced stuff here. Taff has still got her slippers on. What the flip?
Lockdown.
Right. Let's weigh it. Now I'm gonna weigh myself. I just want to say that this is totally factual figures. There's nothing relating at all to my actual body weight. I'm actually very slender, but this carpet, you're meant to use these types of digital scales on a hard floor, and I'm using it on carpet, so this is not a real representation of my body weight. So anyway, scales, stand on them, and I weigh, well, supposedly weigh 102.3 kilos. 102.3 kg. Now I've got to hold this mammoth exhaust and repeat. This is, I mean, it's flipping heavy. There's no two ways about it. Right. Come on, switch on, step on. Right. What is it now?
Good luck.
122 kilos. So 122 kg. So that is basically 20 kilo. 20 kilo. That system is 20 kilo. It feels more like 25 kilo. But anyway, it's 20 kilos, just minus 0.3. So 19.7 kilos. 19.7 kg to be exact. Right, Taffy, do you want to do the same with the nice lightweight Akrapovic?
Give it a go.
Right, so now comes the moment of truth. It's the slipper-cladded Taffy in the garage. My Debbie McGee of 6-gear motorcycles. Right, so I mean, let's bear in mind, let's just remind ourselves a sec. Yeah, let's just remember that basically these figures are fictional for this video, and they are based on science fiction. So bearing that in mind, this is not Taffy's real weight, but for the purpose of calculating the weight of these exhausts, it is. Right, let's weigh Taffy and the exhaust.
Let's do it.
Do it now. Get to the chopper. Come on, Taffy. Oh, I can't do it very well. Right, go on, Taffy. Let's get you on the scales and get you weighed.
Oh, wait, wakey.
Oh, it's
I
on.
just want to say, I'm doing this for scientific purposes only.
Okay. How heavy are we? 65.8.
65.
So that's not your actual weight.
60. Oh no, 50.
Oh, sorry. What was it?
Wait.
Can I do it again?
Yeah. 56.
50. It's because I'm seeing it upside down.
56.8.
56.8.
That's it.
Right. Then with the big, large.
Big. It's not that big.
Akrapovic exhaust.
Bigger.
Well, let's not go there. So go on then. Let's get you on there, holding it, and she's stepping on. And we have 62.4. 62.4, and it is so light, this exhaust, that Taffy is holding it with one hand.
Okay, I know what I mean with this. So,
how heavy is it?
It's not that heavy.
It's not that heavy? How heavy is it? How heavy? So, what is it? 56?
You just put it away.
Okay, 56.8 and 62.4. So it's 4, 5, 6, 6.4 kg.
6.4.
So 6.4 kg
versus
what was it?
On the other one?
What was the other weight? The original weight of the other system?
Wait.
It's where is it? 19.7.
19.7.
So 19.7.
Yeah, 19.7.
19.7. So 19.7 minus 16.4 is 13.3. 13.3 kg. So we are losing with the Akrapovic system 13.3 kg. Not bad.
Sounds about medium pig.
Medium pig.
Sheep, lamb.
Sheep, lamb. Why is it all in meat? I thought you were a vegetarian.
Oh, sometimes.
Right. So we've got some facts and figures now. Basically, as I said, the Akra system is 13.3 kilos lighter than the original standard system, which is a big saving, a real big saving.
Get in.
Get in. So anyway, yeah, the actual bike weight. Now, this is all I can find online from facts and figures. It varied a little bit on the actual wet weight, but the wet weight I've found, wet weight, it doesn't sound right, does it? But anyway, wet weight is 268 kilograms. So if we take those 13 kilograms off, that brings it down to 254.7 kilo. Is a bit lighter, isn't it? Now let's also remember that with this build I've got carbon fibre tail, I've got a carbon fibre nose fairing, I've got some carbon fibre infill panels. What else have I done to make things lighter? Not much else really. So what I will do is I go through those bits and pieces as well. I'll try and do a weight comparison and we'll get an overall how much weight the bike lost. And then maybe what I should do then is also weigh myself at the beginning of the series and at the end, and then we get an overall weight loss or gain. Might not be any different at the rate I'm going. Anyway, also at the start of the series, I think it was the second video I done on this one, I also did a decibel measurement of how loud the standard system was. The standard system was what was it? It was 84.2 decibels, which is quite quiet, wasn't it? It was rubbish for us because we like loud bikes. At 2,500 revs that was at. Now when I've changed over the system and got everything up and running, I'll do another, I'm bashing my wife around, that's known as domestic abuse. I'll do another decibel measurement and we'll see how much louder the Akrapovic system is than the standard one. But I can guarantee you it's going to be a lot louder and it's going to sound a lot nicer. So, yeah. What do you think, Debbie?
It's alright. That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do, pig.
That'll do.
That'll do. What was the whole thing of the animal weights? What was that about?
I'm just hungry.
She's hungry.
It's promised a free lunch and a beer, but
Free lunch and a beer?
can't have it all.
Oh. I can do the beer. Right. I think that'll do for today. Thanks for watching. Join me on one of the other videos where I'll do some more work and get the exhaust fitted up, and at a later point, as I said, we do all those sound comparisons, and yeah, can't wait to get there.
Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you.
Thank me.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
No. I thank Taffy, everyone. Give Taffy some big ups because she's been just sunbathing and eating crumpets.
Oh yeah, you can tell.
She's been eating crumpets in the garden and taking Ronnie for walks. Grizz has just been stuck in the garage drinking vodka the whole time.
Living it. I know.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and catch you on the next one. Much love. Stay safe and see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.